The release of the second trailer for Karate Kid, Legends on 1st April 2025, has reignited excitement for the beloved franchise, promising a fresh yet nostalgic addition to its storied history. Directed by Jonathan Entwistle and written by Rob Lieber, this sixth installment in the Karate Kid series merges the worlds of the original trilogy and the 2010 reboot, delivering a compelling narrative set to hit theaters on 30th May 2025. Starring Jackie Chan as Mr. Ha, Ralph Macchio as Daniel LaRusso, and newcomer Ben Wang as Li Fong, the film blends kung fu and karate in a story of mentorship, resilience, and legacy. The trailer opens with Li Fong, a kung fu prodigy from Beijing, navigating the challenges of relocating to New York City after a family tragedy. Struggling to fit in and forbidden by his mother, played by Ming-Na Wen, from fighting, Li finds himself targeted by local bullies. The footage showcases his raw talent, with dynamic scenes of him dodging attacks in subway stations and alleys, hinting at the defensive nature of his martial arts journey. When a friend needs his help, Li enters a karate tournament, prompting Mr. Ha to seek out Daniel LaRusso to refine Li's skills. The trailer's emotional peak comes with Daniel gifting Li a headband emblazoned with a tree, symbolizing the merging of their styles, 2 branches, 1 tree. What sets Karate Kid, Legends apart is its ambitious effort to unify the franchise's divergent paths. The 2010 film, featuring Jackie Chan and Jaden Smith, focused on kung fu and was initially seen as a standalone remake. However, this new film canonizes it within the original universe, connecting it to the Cobra Kai series and the classic films starring Macchio. Set 3 years after Cobra Kai Season 6, the story explores Daniel's evolution as a mentor, passing down Mr. Miyagi's teachings while collaborating with Mr. Ha, who shares a mysterious past connection to Miyagi. This convergence adds depth, appealing to both longtime fans and new audiences. The trailer's action sequences are a highlight, blending Chan's signature acrobatic flair with the disciplined precision of Miyagi-Do karate. A rooftop tournament scene suggests a climactic showdown, with Li facing off against formidable opponents. The visuals, paired with a stirring soundtrack, evoke the underdog spirit that defined the 1984 original. Supporting performances from Joshua Jackson, Sadie Stanley, and Wyatt Olev enrich the ensemble, with Stanley's character, Mia, sparking Li's motivation to compete. Entwistle's direction, as seen in the trailer, balances gritty urban settings with moments of introspection, emphasizing Li's emotional growth. The film's production, led by Karen Rosenfeld and executive producer Macchio, reflects a commitment to honoring the franchise roots while innovating. Fans have noted the trailer's polished cinematography and its nod to Cobra Kai's success in reviving the series' popularity. Karate Kid, Legends promises to be a crowd pleaser, combining heart-pounding martial arts with a heartfelt story of overcoming adversity. As the trailer suggests, the film is not just about fighting but about finding balance and purpose. With its stellar cast and rich ties to the franchise legacy, it's poised to plant new seeds for future stories when it arrives in theaters. For now, the trailer has fans eagerly awaiting Li Fong's journey to become the next Karate Kid.